Well, the answer is turbulence and showery precipitation. Let's break down why. Hello again, I'm Rich Klingman with PracticePart107.com. We're here to make drone certification feel less like a test and more like a pathway. Let's explore that question. What are the characteristics of moist, unstable air mass? Characteristics, we're looking, there's moist and unstable. We know those two parts. The characteristics they're looking for are turbulence and showery precipitation. So if you think about unstable is turbulence, moist is showery. Some other text you can stop and read. Pause the video. So let's look here, do a little deeper dive. What are the characteristics? So we can see as unstable air is moving up, it creates cumuloform clouds, which then produces the showery precipitation. A couple of AI created graphics here, and you don't want to be out in this weather. Okay, maybe you do want to be out in this weather, but your drone doesn't want to be. It can be very unsafe. All right, so you can make up a memory hook. One idea would be unstable upheaval. If it's unstable air, you've got it's moving up, unstable. All right, so here's an overview. Again, pause the video, go back and look at the text more in detail, and we're out of here. Okay, you've got one question solid. Let's keep going. We've got hundreds more with clear explanations in multiple languages, plus unlimited practice quizzes and more. Please like and subscribe and visit us at PracticePart107.com. Learn fast, fly smart, test with confidence. Until next time, keep your props spinning and your mind sharp.